गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदे साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुत्वं नमामि। अज्ञानतिमिरान्तस्य ज्ञानाचलचलाकया चक्षुरुं मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
धन्यवाद। Good morning, everyone. Last time we have learned the बाराखड़ी of क to ह letters. Complete बाराखड़ी हम लोगों ने सीख ली है क अक्षर से व्यंजन का आखिरी अक्षर ह तक। आज हम अभी सीखने वाले हैं संयुक्त अक्षर की बाराखड़ी। तो संयुक्त अक्षर बाराखड़ी as it is same how we have done for the all other letters. So do you remember how many संयुक्त व्यंजन are there? Write in chat box. Total how many संयुक्त व्यंजन? Yes, Nandana. Very good. It's 4. 4 संयुक्त व्यंजन. Yes, Nandika, Dharini, Ojasvi. Very nice. So 4 संयुक्त व्यंजन. Okay. So do you remember what are they? संयुक्त व्यंजन कौन से है? 4 संयुक्त व्यंजन. Yes, but can you write the spelling of that 4 संयुक्त व्यंजन? No, shasha saha, that is Ushma Vyanjan. I'm saying about the Sanyukta Vyanjan. 2 Vyanjans come together and we can get one new Sanyukta Vyanjan. We have learned that. Yes? So what are the 4 Sanyukta Vyanjans? When 2 Vyanjans come together, yes, Ksha, Tra, Gya, Shra. Yes, Ksha, Tra, Gya, Shra. Many of you are trying to answer in chat box. Very nice. Kshatra, Gyashra. Today we are going to start the Barakadi of these 4 Vyanjan letters. Yes, Sadhana ma'am?
Yes ma'am. Yes, thank you ma'am. Jai Gurudev bachcho, happy morning. So we have learned up to her letter Barakhadi and now we are going to learn Sayukta Vyanjan Barakhadi. The 4 letters comes under Sayukta Vyanjan, Sh, Tra, Gya, Shra. Yes, and as we all know, all the Vyanjans are incomplete. Like what are Sayukta Vyanjan? By the name itself, you can get that we blend 2 Vyanjan to get one Vyanjan. That is Sayukta Vyanjan. I am sharing the screen. Get Sayukta Vyanjan. Yes, these are the 4 letters of Sayukta Vyanjan.
पीछे जाइए पीछे. हाँ, अभी प्ले कीजिए.
Yes, Sayukta Vyanjan. So the first letter is Sh and Sh is How to write sh? This is sh, and it is, as we all know, Sayukta Vyanjan. We blend two Vyanjan to get one Vyanjan. This is half ka plus sh मिलके sh बनता है. Half का और sh बनके sh बनता है. This is sh, the first letter of Sayukta Vyanjan. And now we are going to see the Barakhadi of letter sh. First letter as usual sh. श में आ की मात्रा शा. श में छोटी ई की मात्रा शी. श में बड़ी ई की मात्रा शी. श में छोटी ऊ की मात्रा बिलो द लेटर शू. श में बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा बिलो द लेटर शू. एंड श में री की मात्रा, दिस इज ऑल्सो बिलो द लेटर, द मात्रा साइन शुड कम श्रू. So all these three, छोटी ऊ की मात्रा, बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा and री की मात्रा, the matra sign should come below the letter. Then श में ए की मात्रा, that is one balloon up शे. Then श में आई की मात्रा, that is two balloon up, the matra sign should be two balloon up, and that is शै. Then श में ओ की मात्रा, that is one balloon up with one standing line after the letter, that is शो. ओ की मात्रा आएगी तो शो. देन श में औ की मात्रा, दैट इज टू बलून अप विथ वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन शौ. देन श में अंग की मात्रा, दैट इज वन डॉट अबाउ द स्लीपिंग लाइन, दैट इज अंग की मात्रा, एंड देन द श बिकम शंग. एंड श में अह की मात्रा, दैट इज टू डॉट पैरेलल टू और साइड बाय व्हेन वी पुट, दैट इज अह की मात्रा शह. So this is sh Barakhadi, sh, sha, shi, she, shu, shu, shru, she, shai, sho, shau, sham, shah. Sometimes we call this as shru and sometimes we say at shri. Okay? Yes. So this is the first letter. Now the second letter is tra. The second letter of Sayukta Vyanjan is tra, and it is the combination of which two letter? Half the plus ra is tra. Yes, we know that the Sayukta Vyanjan, all the four letters, we use two letters to form one letter. So we use two Vyanjan to get one Vyanjan. So this is tra. Now tra Barakhadi, first as usual, no matra sign. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes,
actually, when we are sharing the screen and we annotate, that time it automatically it's not going to landscape mode. So if you are not annotate, it's going to landscape mode. So just teacher is writing the words in black screen, and after that she will make it landscape mode. So it will big screen, because if we annotate, it will be very small. Yes, but we have already sent you this PPT to your class group. So you can see. Otherwise, Sadhna ma'am, you just do one thing. Make it landscape mode. Without annotation, make it landscape mode, because that is it's very small letters. Yes, landscape mode पे रखिए फोन को भी.
हाँ, रख दिया.
नहीं, अच्छा. Okay, ma'am.
हो गया ना?
Yeah.
The first letter as usual.
Second line ऐसे करके बोल दीजिए तो समझ.
हाँ, okay. किसने ऑफ किया?
We Nikhil, why you are sharing dear? Please don't touch the screen. शेयर कीजिए ना.
हाँ, शेयर कर. Yes, dear. So I will tell by second line. Okay. The second row is tra. So say a second letter of Sayukta Vyanjan tra, and tra is the combination of half the plus ra, tra. So tra Barakhadi हम देखेंगे अभी. Tra first letter as usual, no matra sign. So tra. Tra में जब हम बड़ी आ की मात्रा डालते हैं, that is after the letter we have to put one आ की मात्रा and stretch the letter and say tra. Then tra में छोटी ई की मात्रा, that is before the letter, one standing line with one curve up, 3. tra में बड़ी ई की मात्रा one standing line with one curve up after the letter. बड़ी ई की मात्रा will come after the letter 3. Then tra में छोटी ऊ की मात्रा below the letter, you have to put the matra sign through. tra में then बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा below the letter, this one also below the letter the matra sign should come. So through. And जब हम त्र में री की मात्रा लगाते हैं, that is also below the letter, you have to put one small curve or one small c, you can say 3, through or 3, because we used to say ru or re, all the same letter. Then tra में छोटी a की मात्रा, that is one balloon up 3. Then tra में I की मात्रा, that is 2 balloon up tri. Then tra में o की मात्रा, that is one standing line with one balloon up throw. Then tra में au की मात्रा, that is 2 balloon up with one standing line after the letter trau. And tra में ang की मात्रा, that is one dot above the sleeping line tram. And tra में ah की मात्रा, that is 2 dot nearby or parallel to the letter, you have to put, and it becomes trah. So this is tra barakhadi, the second letter of Sanyukta Vyanjan. Now the next is the third letter of Sanyukta Vyanjan is gya. Yagya. Yes. Yagya, gyan. We used to hear lots of letter using this word. Now next is gya, and gya is formed from using half ja plus nya. The fifth letter of cha varga, nya. Yes, half ja plus nya is gya. We get gya. So the third letter gya, first letter as usual, no matra sign. See the third row, third line. First letter as usual, no matra sign gya. Second letter gya, stretch the letter. When we put aki matra, what we have to do? You have to stretch the letter and say gya. You have to put aki matra after the letter. Then gya में छोटी e की मात्रा, that is before the letter, one standing line with one curve up, gi. Gya में बड़ी e की मात्रा, that is one standing line with one curve up after the letter, gi. Gi. Then gya में u की मात्रा below the letter gyu. ग में बड़ी u की मात्रा gyu. gya में ri की मात्रा below the letter ru or gri. Yes, all the three matra signs should come below the letter only. Choti u, badi u, and ri ki matra. Then gya mein a ki matra gye, that is one balloon up. Then gya mein I ki matra, that is two balloon up, gai. Then gya mein o ki matra, that is one standing line with one balloon up after the letter yo. Then gya mein au ki matra, that is one standing line with two balloon up after the letter yo. Then gya mein ang ki matra, that is one dot above the sleeping line. Yes, that is gyang. And gya mein ah ki matra, that is two dot nearby or parallel to the letter yah. So this is gya barakhadi, yagya, gigi, yugu gri, yegai, yagyo gau, gang, gaha. So this is gya barakhadi. Now the last letter is shra. This is shra. बड़ी ई की मात्रा श्री. We see the fourth letter of shra, barakhadi. Yes, we mostly used for this when we used to say goddess name Shri. Yes, or some elder people, some famous, yes, Shri, for the respect we used to put this Shri. Then sh में छोटी ऊ की मात्रा श्रु, श में बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा श्रु, श में री की मात्रा और रू की मात्रा श्रु. Yes, all the three letters, matra sign should come below the letter choti u, badi u, and ri ki matra. Then sh mein a ki matra she, श में आई की मात्रा श्रय, श्र में ओ की मात्रा श्रो, श्र में औ की मात्रा श्रव, श्र में अंग की मात्रा श्रम, श्र में अह की मात्रा श्रह. So these are the 4 letters of Sayukti Vyanjan sh, tra, gya, shra, and we have done with the Barakhadi of all the Vyanjan letters, done with all the Vyanjans. Any doubt regarding Sayukta Vyanjan Barakhadi? Same way, only the letters are changing. We are using the matra sign in the same way how we have done from the ka varga. Yes, no changes in matras, only the letters are changing. Any doubt regarding the Sayukta Vyanjan Barakhadi, the 4 letters, Shatra, Gya, Shra? You can ask.
No doubts, ma'am. No doubts.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
First letter alone, ma'am. The first letter is ksha. Ksha, ka and sha come together. It's ksha. Ksha, ksha, kshi, kshi, kshu, kshu, kshi, kshe, kshai, ksho, kshau, ksham, kshaha. Yes, ma'am. ठीक है, मैं कर देती.
Okay.
The first letter you want again. That is this. The letter is ksha. So ksha में आ की मात्रा जब मिक्स होती है, that is ksha. When ksha में छोटी ई की मात्रा मिक्स होती है, that is शी. Before the letter, the छोटी ई की मात्रा. बड़ी ई की मात्रा मिक्स होती है after the letter शी. छोटी ऊ की मात्रा below the line, left side towards shu. बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा towards right shu. री की मात्रा क्षी. Then ए की मात्रा 1 balloon up she. Then औ की मात्रा 2 balloon up shai. I की मात्रा 2 balloons up kshai. Then O की मात्रा 1 balloon up with 1 standing line ksho. Then औ की मात्रा 2 balloons up with 1 standing line kshau. Then am की मात्रा 1 bindu up ksham. And aha की मात्रा 2 dots nearby kshaha. So this is first letter. The second letter is tra. The third letter is gya. Gya, gyan, gya. The G, the Y, the N, everything, the sound is inside. Gya, 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 gi, gi, gyu, 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 ye, yai, yo, yau, yam, yaha. Yes? And the last letter is shra. So these all are Barakhadi of Sanyukta Vyanjan. English spellings are there and we have already sent the PPT in your class group. Now, let's, we all know all these swar letters and Vyanjan letters. So let's try to make a words now. So just tell me answers in chat box. I'm writing something. Which letter is this? Yes, I want answers from everyone. Each and everyone. Quickly open your chat box and start writing answers. Yes. Very nice. This is K. Now I'm adding one more letter. Which letter is this? The second letter. L. Okay. Now let's join together. So which word will be there when we join K? And I'm joining L also. Kal. Do you know the meaning of Kal? Kal means what in Hindi? Tomorrow. Yes, Kal means tomorrow also and Kal means yesterday also. Both we can use this word. For example, I went yesterday. Yesterday I went to garden. That time we will use कल मैं बगीचा में गई थी. That is कल means yesterday. Tomorrow I am going to tomorrow I will be going to garden. So कल मैं बगीचा में जाऊंगी. So both the way we will use this कल for yesterday also and for tomorrow also. Now the next one. Which letter is this? Very good. And now I am giving one matra sign. Which matra sign is this? One standing line. Which matra sign? A matra sign. Very good. And one more letter. Which letter is this? Sir. Wow, superb. All of you are giving so fast answer. Now we will copy the first letter P. Then we will give the matra sign, that is Aki matra, one standing line Pa. Then the next letter S. Pass. Pass. Pass means what? Near. Very good. Pass means near. Now the next one. Again, tell me which letter is this? Yes, K, and one matra I have given. Then again I have written one more letter. Again I have given one matra sign. And one more letter. Now you have to tell me what is this word. First let's copy the first letter K. Then let's give ki. Choti e ki matra before the letter ki. Then I am writing the next letter, copying the next matra ta, and writing ba. There is no any matra sign for ba. So kitab. Kitab means what? Book. Kitab means book. Very good. Kitab means book. So you have to practice making words like this. Okay. Next. So the next word. Which letter is this? I want answers from everyone. Yes? No. Plus I am writing one more word now. Plus I am giving one matra sign. So we have to make a word. So first I am copying first letter. Next I am copying another letter. And the matra sign, badi E ki matra sign after the letter. Nadi. Nadi means what? Nadi means river. Very good. Superb. Nadi means river. I'm getting so many answers in chat box. Very nice. Nadi means river. Next. Which letter is this? One matra sign and one letter. Make a word. What we have to do? We have to write first letter P, then just give the matra sign Pu, and the last letter L. Pull. Pull means what? Do you know? Pull means what? Pull means bridge. Pull means bridge. Pull means bridge. So this Friday I am going to give a homework of these kind of letters. Okay? And you have to complete that and be ready with your homework. So next week I will give you this homework on Friday, and on Monday onwards we will start checking the homework. So be ready with your homework next week. So the next one, the plus badi U ki matra, homework, this kind of words I will give on Friday, coming Friday. Okay. The plus body, u की मात्रा plus ध. So दूध, very good. The, then I am writing the body u की मात्रा, then the next letter th. दूध means milk. दूध means milk. Yes. I will repeat again this Friday. Today is Tuesday. So Friday I will give homework worksheet and you have to be ready with your homework in your rough note by Monday. So whenever your class on next Tuesday, I will check the homework. Okay, I hope everyone is clear. So there is no doubts now. Okay, fine. So the next one, which letter is this? Pri ki matra plus, just now we have seen about this letter. What is this? Let's write the word. We will make the word. First we will write first letter V. Then give a matra sign pri. Then write the next letter ksha. Vriksha. Vriksha means tree. Very good. Vriksha means tree. Vriksha means tree. Next. Next letter with one matra sign and one more letter. Let's form a word. Sa. Then give a matra sign. Se. Then ba. Seb. Seb means apple. Seb means apple. You have to eat every day one apple. Yes, seb. Apple. Next. Next letter. So everyone understand how to make words now? Yes? If you are clear with all the letters and the matra sign, then it will be very easy to you. Next. Which letter is this? Plus I ki matra plus the plus a ki matra. This is a th. The th. Yes? So I am writing the first letter th. Then I am giving the matra sign to balloons up. Thai. Then I am writing one more letter L. And matra sign A. Thaila. Thaila means bag. Thaila means bag. Next. So the next letter Ma. Plus I have given one matra sign plus R. Now tell me, what is the word? First, what we have to do? We have to copy the letter. Then we have to give the matra sign. Then we have to give next letter R. More. Yes? More. More means peacock. Padmesh, please don't write anything in chat box. Only answers you have to give. Okay? More means peacock. Nikhil, I don't want unnecessary things in chat box. Yes. So the next one now. K plus au ki matra plus A. Swar letter. A. So it's just copy the first, give au ki matra, kau, and then copy Kauva means one bird, that is crow. Nandeka, very good. Kauva means crow. Kauva
Yes, ma'am.
means
Someone is yes, Suprita ma'am. Someone is asking
yes,
the meaning of thaila.
Thaila
Thaila
means
means bag.
bag. Thaila means bag. Okay. So Kauva means crow. Next. Pa plus ta plus ki matra plus ga. Let's make the word pa. I'm copying. Then ta, and I'm giving ki matra and ga. Patang. Patang. Patang means kite. Patang means kite. And the last letter, the last word we are going to see now, that is na plus ma plus aha ki matra. Na ma ha, namaha. That means namaste. How you are saying namaste? You are greeting your teacher. That is a namaha, means namaste. Or else you always use to say God's names. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. That namaha means namaste. Okay. So these are words we have learned. So practice all the Barakhadi every day. 5 Barakhadi you have to practice. Yes. Then it will be easy for you to recognize the letters and the matras. Then making words is very easy for all of you. Yes, dears? Okay. Now we are going to talk something else. Before starting some new things, I want to ask you many questions. Okay. Just give me answers yes or no in chat box. You can type S letter or you can type N letter for no. Yes letter for it. Yes for S letter, no for N letter. Okay. And please don't type anything in Tamil. Okay. Fine. So the first question. Everyone, are you greeting your mother or father, parents every day? Good morning, mama. Good morning, dad. Every day you are greeting your mother and father or whoever elder in your home. Okay. Yes, many of you are saying yes. I want honest answer. Okay. I will call your mother and I will confirm this. I want honest answer. No, there are some children, they are not greeting. So from today itself, what you have to do? You have to start greeting your parents. Okay? You have to say good morning, mama, good morning, dad, or whatever you are saying for your mother and father. Yes? Okay. Now, how many of you that in the morning after bathe, you just pray to God? Everyone has a small temple in your home. So, how many of you are praying to God every day? Every day, how many of you are praying? Any one single prayer, or you are just joining hands in front of God? Yes, so many of you are doing. Wow. Do you know these all are very good habits? And if you are all following all these habits, that means you are a very good child. Very nice. Superb. Superb. Now, give me honest answers. How many of you touch your parents' feet every day and taking the blessings? Every day you are touching to your parents' feet and taking the blessings. No. Maximum answers are no. Your parents are your first God. They may bring you in this one beautiful world. They are giving you a beautiful life. So what is your first thing? Morning, once you get up, you just wish your parents, and after a bath, once you praying a God, you have to take a blessing from your parents. Yes, everyone will follow that from today, from today itself. Okay, if you're following these all things, that means you have a very good habits. Yes, very nice, super. सो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? नमन करना चाहिए, भगवान को भी प्रणाम करना चाहिए और हमारे माता पिताजी को भी प्रणाम करना चाहिए. यस, नाउ जस्ट टेल मी, how many of you are brushing your teeth twice a day? Twice a day. I want honest answer. I will call anyone's parents and I will confirm this. No. Some answers are no, some answers are yes. But you have to brush your teeth twice a day. That is very good habit. Okay? And how many of you always speak truth? No lies at all. Everyone is speaking truth only. Okay? Honest. Always be honest. Don't speak lie. That is a very, very bad habit. Your parents make feel very sad if you lie something. So always you have to be honest. How you are honestly giving the answers now in chat box. So like that way you have to be always honest. Okay. So just tell me now, if imagine if you are going with your parents or some elders in car or bike and you just see the signal. Okay, signal, the red light. What you will follow? You will stop or you will just tell your parents, okay, break the signal, we will go first. Like this? You will stop, yes? Because that are the rules. That are the rules, traffic rules. Everywhere some rules are there. Even though if you are coming to school, there is some rules, discipline you have to maintain. You have to go with the one row, come with the one row. You have to lock your hands back. You have don't talk in library or corridor. So many rules we have to follow. Yes. So wherever rule you have to see, understand, and you have to follow that. Okay. So if you have to tell these everything to your parents also, don't cross the signals. We have to follow the signals. Whatever the urgent work, but what you have to do, you have to follow the signals. And all kind of rules, not only traffic rules, all kind of rules. Yes? Will you do that? Yes? Now, just tell me how many of you are doing at least minimum 5 to 10 minutes exercise every day, or yoga or aerobics or dance, anything, whatever you are liking, but 5 to 10 minutes exercise. No, some are saying no, some are saying yes. But every day if you are doing minimum 10-15 minutes exercise, that is really very good for your health. Okay? So just ask your parents, can you please give me your 15 minutes? We'll do exercise together. They will give you 15 minutes and sit with them, do some 15 minutes yoga. Okay, so क्या करना है? रोज योगा करना है. Yes? Okay. Now just tell me the very honest answer. How many of you are cleaning your home? You are helping your mom to clean your home? Yes. Okay, so many yes answer. Wow, wonderful. वेरी नाइस. सब लोग अपनी मम्मी को हेल्प करते हैं, मदद करते हैं घर साफ करने के लिए. यस. सो यू हैव टू क्लीन योरसेल्फ. That you have to brush yourself twice a day. You have to bathe, clean yourself. You have to clean your home. You have to clean your own things. You have to clean your cupboard. You have to keep your places proper in place. Cupboard. So whenever you are searching for the pencil, eraser, you can easily get if you are keeping in that proper place. So what you have to follow? घर को साफ करना है, खुद को भी साफ करना है, खुद के शरीर की साफ सफाई करनी है. You have to clean your own body. And every day you have to play. That is also a very good thing. You have to play. Because of this situation, we are not going on the playground, but that's fine. You can play inside the home. You can play hide and seek inside the home. Yes, you can make skips inside the home. You can do many things, indoor games. There are so many things you can do inside the home. So just every day you have to play. And do you know what we have to do? Reading. Every day you have to read. 10 minutes, take any your favorite book and start reading. Every day one language. If you like Tamil books, you can read one day Tamil, one day English, and now we are learning Hindi. So one day Hindi, small letters you just try to read. Okay, so these all are habits, are very good habits, and you have to follow that. ये जो कुछ आदतें हैं वो बहुत अच्छी आदतें हैं और हम सबको ये follow करने हैं. And we are going to see the lesson on this habits words next session. Yes, any doubts?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, cover last phone, ma'am. Ma'am, no doubts, ma'am.
Okay, you are asking about ka varga, ka, kha, ga, gha, ng. Okay, ka, kha, ga, gha, ng.
And Shatra Dattan.
Ksha, tra, ya, shra. Ksha, tra, ya, shra. I will again repeat. Ksha, the first Sanyukta Vyanjan. Ksha, tra, the second one is tra, the third one is gya,
Yeah.
and the fourth one is shra. The fourth one is shra. These are Sanyukta Vyanjan. And what we have discussed about the habits, follow that, and we will discuss next week, next period. Okay? Yes. So it's 1 more minute, and next period we will have LSR also. On your video, everyone, and say bye to your friends. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Have a nice day.
Dhanyavad, ma'am. Thank you. Dhanyavad, ma'am. Dhanyavad, ma'am.